Namaste all viewers, this is Pasha here from Krishna Pearls and Jewelers, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. So I came with a very nice collection, pearl nice collections today. I got a very unique pieces, 5 lines unisex products and single line also. We have lot more collections like this. So please do visit our website, or you can visit our store in Jubilee Hills Road number 36. We have multiple stores in Hyderabad. You can visit to our Charminar store if it is nearby to you. And we are in Taj Krishna also. It is in Banjara Hills. We are in High Tech City. It is in Novotel Hotel. And the main branch is road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, near Checkpost Metro Station. So just I want to show you very nice collection today. Pearl with silver combination with the side brooches here. This is a very nice piece, freshwater pearls. In down what we have used 5 lines here, and then in between the brooch is here. The CZ red stone and green stone. You will get in multicolor also the same price pieces. Back side what we have given double line here. It's a very nice piece. Similar to this, we have lot more collection. If you want to see some more collections in same pattern, these are all freshwater pearls. For gifting purpose, it's very nice piece. See this one, how pretty it is. Very nice luster, shining is there in the pearls. All are made in very uniform. See, these are all zircon stones, CZs and red stone here. For gifting purpose, it's very pretty piece. The costing is 11,900 rupees. So please visit our website to book an order here, and we are giving free shipping for all over India. And all viewers, I need your comments. Please comment what you like it. See this one, very nice piece. See how pretty it is. You will get matching earring also. You can go with some plain studs or red stone studs with the dangling also. And matching bracelets, lot of bracelets also we have. So please do visit our website, or you can call to our number 92480-36721, or you can visit our website. You can follow our Instagram. We have lot more collections in the websites also. We are giving free shipping all over India, and on pearls we are giving 20% off also, flat 20% off on tag price, and no charges for the shipping. All pan India we can deliver you. So one more, I am going to show you one more very nice piece with a combination in the blue and red. This is a blue sapphire and red rubies. See this one, very gradually we have make it. This one, graduation. It's a unisex product. See how nice it is. These are also freshwater pearls. See, I will show you how pretty it is. It's a very unique piece, very nice piece. See? In between what we have used in blue sapphire stone and ruby, 5 line string. 5 लाइन का स्ट्रिंग है, बीच में हम लोग ब्लू सफायर और रूबी यूज़ किया है इसके अंदर, और ऊपर आके साइड में 2 ब्रोचेस है. इसमें आपको कस्टमाइज़ कराना है विदाउट बीड्स ऑल्सो वी कैन डू इट. ऐसा भी आप बना के दे सकते हैं, आपको रेडी भी मिल जाएगा. और इसमें आपको नेचुरल फ्रेश वाटर में आपको पिंक, पीच और वाइट कलर्स भी मिलेंगे आपको. शेरवानी पे पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. दिस इज वेरी नाइस ऑन शेरवानी. हाउ प्रिटी इट इज. सी द कॉस्टिंग यू 45,500 rupees, and on top of this we are giving 20% off and free shipping all over India. All over India we are giving free shipping. तो मल्टी कलर इसके लिए यूज़ किया है. कैन मैच विद एनी ड्रेसेस. इसमें ब्लू आ गया आपको, रूबी आ गया, और वाइट, ऑलरेडी वाइट पर्ल्स आर वेरी नाइस पर्ल्स. दिस आर लाइफ टाइम वारंटी, यू विल गेट इट फॉर द पर्ल्स. और आपको सिमिलर में वी हैव वेरी नाइस कलेक्शन, और भी बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है इसमें. एंड यू कैन कॉल टू अवर नंबर 9248036721. So please do visit our website. You can book an order for this one. And if you are in Hyderabad, please do visit our road number 36 Jubilee Hill store, Krishna Pearls and Jewelers. We have nice collection in diamonds and gold, pachi work, and we are in silver articles also. We have very nice collection in silver articles. So one more piece I got you, very plain pearls. It's matched with the. It's a very nice unique piece. See how pretty it is. 5 लाइन में है ये. दिस 5 लाइन्स. आपको सिंगल में मिलेगा, 2 लाइन्स 3 लाइन्स इज अवेलेबल. इसमें आपको साइजेस भी चाहिए, वेरिएशन साइजेस, यू विल गेट इट. वेरी नाइस लस्टर एंड वेरी नाइस शाइनी. सी हाउ प्रिटी इट इज. इसमें 3 लाइन्स 4 लाइन्स 5 लाइन्स इज अवेलेबल, और ये लॉन्ग लेंथ में है. See, these are all freshwater natural pearls. You will get a lifetime warranty for this one, and this is costing you 35,300 rupees. And on top of this, you will get 20% off. And if you are in out of Hyderabad, out of in Telangana, you will get a free shipping also. We are not charging for shipping, and the same discount you will get it. And the payment, all UPI payment is available. Even you can do the COD also. COD is also available. See how nice it is. इसका luster shining is very pretty. Nice piece. The shape and size is very pretty piece. One more long length I got it here. The western wear. See, multicolor में. These are western wear. See how nice it is. आप इसको डबल भी करके पहन सकते हैं ऐसा, like this one. You can wear it double also. The fancy collection. Jeans वगैरह पे looks very nice. It's very pretty piece. How nice it is. See. The inside what we have is a nylon thread. Total it will be a very strong thread. See how nice it is. और मैचिंग इयरिंग भी इसका काफ़ी सारा मिल जाएगा आपको. स्टड इज अवेलेबल. Hanging and short hanging is also available, and the costing is 12,000 rupees. On top of this, you will get 20% off, and all over India you will get a free shipping. We are not charging for that also. See, you can wear with a double line like this. See, ऐसा भी पहन सकते हैं आप. See, like this, or you can wear it double also like this. Here what we have used the grey color pearls and slightly peacock grey and steel grey and white pearl mix. What we have used for the multiple dresses, it will match it. See, very nice piece. So please do visit our website, or you can directly call to our number 9248036721. You can follow our Instagram, you can follow our Facebook. So we have multiple outlets in Hyderabad, and we are giving free shipping in all over India. I got a very nice choker also. See, this is a very nice choker. I'll show you. See, the color I got it now, it is green. You will get it in the white color also. These are green CZs. See how nice it is. I will put it on the neck and I will show you. See, very nice, very pretty, unique piece. You will get a matching earring for this one also. Very nice matching earrings also I have. I will show you that also. And these are all freshwater pearls, and these are zircons. The green CZ what we have used in here. You will get a lifetime warranty for the pearls. These are all natural freshwater pearls. The MRP is coming for 12,500, and you are getting discount, all the same discount as I told you, 20% off you will get it, and we are giving free shipping also. Please do visit our website, or you can call to our number 92480 36721. I'll show you matching earrings here. See how nice it is. Green stone with the CZs, white CZ, a drop of pearl what we have given here. It's like a slightly short danglings. See how nice it is. And you will get a matching bangle and bracelets, lot of collection what I have it in similar to this. See, I have very nice bangles also. Lot of collection we have. Just I got some sample here. See red color. This will match with this also. इसके साथ भी जाएगा ये. This one. See how nice it is. The bangles. You get in different size. 24, 26 and 28 is available. And these are only plain pearls. इसके साथ भी जाएगा. And one more unique piece I got it. See, in the green shade. People are asking for the green color in between the pearls. So very round shape pearls, very nice pearls. See, these are also freshwater pearls. And these are 7 lines. We call Satlada. These are pearls string or multiple lines or 7 lines. This looks very nice on the sherwani. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. See how pretty it is. I'll show you from the mine. See how nice it is. See, very nice piece. If you want to go for a 2 lines, 3 lines also, we can make and give you. This as it is now is 7 lines. 7 लाइन में भी अच्छा दिखता है. इसमें अगर आपको कलर चेंज कराना है, if you want to put a ruby also, we can do it. Now as it's emeralds, या plain भी आपको पसंद है, if you want to remove this, and we can make in plain also. Green color is very pretty piece is looking now. See 7 line, 5 lines are there. तो इसके साथ में भी आपको मैचिंग इयरिंग्स काफ़ी सारे मिल जाएंगे. यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ मैचिंग इयरिंग्स ऑल्सो. So please do visit our store if you are in Hyderabad. We have lot of collection in the diamond, plain gold jewelry and silver articles, and we are running a gold benefit schemes also. So for query you can call to 92480 36721. And we have offering, you can exchange your old gold also, it's available. So please do visit our Instagram, FB Live, and we have very nice collection in gold jewelry also. That is all BIS hallmark jewelry what we are giving you. So I request all our viewers to please do visit our Instagram and Facebook. So you can call to our number here, it's displaying here, 92480 36721. You can WhatsApp. The guy will answer you, sales guy. So with this I end my show here. So don't forget to comments. Please do comments. If you want to see more collection in pearls, I can show you more collections also. So thank you for giving your valuable time. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.